voodoo.de.
Hey guys, my name is Thomas and you're watching voodoo.de VR. So this video is about the new version 81 update of Meta Quest. And it was in public test channel where you can opt in if you like and see it before others. And now it's rolling out on all the headsets. And I will show you the news that they have, the updates, the new features and so on. And here's an article of Upload VR. They made it really cool, so we can definitely use that because they showed everything. So the first thing that you might already notice is that we have a new immersive home. And that looks really good. I absolutely love it. And the cool thing now is that perhaps you remember, normally we could only teleport around. And I don't like it. I mean, for teleporting for beginners that are prone to motion sickness, that's really good. But what's for us people with VR legs? I want to move smoothly to my home. And now this is finally possible. So first we have this new immersive home that looks really good. And then now we have this option menu here. We can switch to some comfort options like a vignette when we move or so. We can turn on snap turn or smooth turn. And of course, finally, we can use smooth locomotion in our immersive home. This is cool. Thank you, Meta. That's what I really, really wanted. And that's awesome, right? The next cool thing is we can pin windows to our immersive home. And also in mixed reality. These are two different options that we have. And this is absolutely amazing. So we can pin it somewhere and so on. And then it stays there. When you go in a game or so and you turn back, it stays there. So we can do it individually. For example, a browser window, or here this is Instagram and stuff. Really cool. Here you can see it. 2D window anchoring. There's a small button under the window is an anchor, and then you can put it somewhere and hit that anchor button, and then it stays there in this safety boundary. So he remembers that. That's awesome. And then something for people that are not so patient like me. Perhaps you know some games that are really huge or your connection is slow or so, and then you have to wait a lot. And now, when some smart home activated, what did I say? Quick play. That means you can play the game during your download. Wow, nice, right? And now, this was already in some beta versions. If you have a PC and it's connected via the Link software and you have some PCVR games installed, then now you will see it in your standalone library. So you can start it from there. Wow. So you can bypass your Rift dashboard, right? That's cool. That's really nice. And then something I talked about in the last news or so, the new Navigator system where you have this Navigator buttons and so on. For me, I don't like it. It's confusing. I don't really like it. And now they roll it back. So all the people that were not in the public test channel, they will not get it. They will just use the old one, and that's really good. Hopefully I can also go back because I have been in the public test channel and I have the new Navigator and I really don't like it. I don't like it. And then we have a world's safety system. So if you get close to a boundary, your real wall or so, the system recognizes the set boundary and then asks, do you want to use this boundary or create a new one? And that's cool because when you start a mixed reality and then switch to virtual reality, it recognizes that. Really cool. We have a new improved horizon feed. So, I mean, still, the horizon feed is something everybody wants, everybody needs, and it's the most important thing when we switch on our Quest. Or not? Yes, let's be honest, most of us search for the X button to close the Horizon feed when we start the Quest. So I don't really understand why they just force us to see the Horizon feed. I mean, yes, Zuckerberg wants to establish the metaverse, and the beginning of the metaverse is Horizon Worlds and all this stuff. But please don't force us, because many of us just don't want it. They want to play even single player games without any trouble in multiplayer or seeing other people or stuff. So please just give us the availability to start in the library, right? Or even, or at least put the library inside that thing. I don't know. I mean, it's getting better. To be honest, I love this new Horizon feed window. It's okay. I also love Horizon Worlds. It's not that I don't like it. There are cool worlds. I will also do a video about this, but don't force us, please. So the next thing is Windows 11 Remote Desktop. So this was already a thing in like beta, experimental, and now it's going to the final version. And the cool thing is, it's like with the Apple Vision Pro. When you have the headset on and then you look to your keyboard, it recognizes that, and then you can instantly go to your Windows desktop. Then they say the Meta AI is improved. Unfortunately, in Germany, this is not really working, not really available, so I cannot try it. But for you in the US and so on, it should work. Then we have a new window where we can switch the user interface a little bit better. So it was hidden and now it's better. And now we also have up to 12 windows that we can open and pin somewhere. They have a question mark here, but I have a list from Meta and they confirmed, yes, we have 12 windows. That's really cool. And Horizon Hyperscape, I already showed you, where you can scan your stuff in 3D and make it, you can create a 3D version of your home. That's really cool. So I also have another list from Meta here in the background. So perhaps if you use Horizon Central, you notice that it looks different. We don't have this place where everybody is there and you know, this place where we have an alley or so and some shops or so. Now it looks different. The Horizon Central looks different. We also can pin stuff in Passthrough. We can also double tap during a gameplay to get in the full mixed reality mode. I think that was even a thing before that. And also we have a new location where we can see events. Yeah, it was in the Horizon Central and now it's called events, and it's yeah, like a better experience. What do we have here? Horizon feed, additional windows. Yeah, okay. In the Meta Horizon mobile app, we can now share links. So for that, you go in the library and select the photo or video you want to share. Then you can create a shareable link. Also pretty cool. And also we can, if you have the windows here, we can resize it and rescale it and lock the ratio of the windows. That's also pretty good, right? So guys, and we also have some more search filter options in the Horizon store. So as you can see, Meta is really doing well. They care about their systems. They don't leave it like it is. They try new things. And what I really love is that they roll back things that don't work. For example, the Navigator. That's really nice. I also want it rolled back. I have to write them. And but still, I don't like so much that they force us to use the Horizon feed. However, guys, this is the new update. I will put this article of Upload VR in the description if you want to check it out yourself as well. And please, guys, if you don't have version 81, then you have to wait. It's rolled out in waves, so it could be you have to wait some weeks before you get it or so. I don't know. So I hope you liked the video. If yes, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
voodoo.de.